Hello everyone, welcome to the FreeCodeCamp Advanced Algorithm Challenges. With these challenges we will finally be able to get our certification. Now, the certification you only get it if you do the Advanced Algorithm Challenges, of course, but I think that it is important that we do all of the challenges, basic and intermediate, before we do the advanced ones first. That's why I covered all of them already. You can check them out on my channel. In the past, I think that you could only get the certificate if you did all the basic, intermediate and advanced algorithm challenges, not only the advanced ones, which kind of makes more sense to me. That being said, let's just focus on the algorithm that we have today. So it is called Palindrome Checker. A palindrome is a word that when you reverse it, it's gonna look like the same, like it's spelled the same way. So for example, the word I, when you reverse it, it's gonna be I, Y, I. So it's gonna be the same. I don't know, you can do it for many words. They are gonna stay the same when you reverse them. So I'm gonna do as if this is a mirror. It looks the same, so that's what it means. Now, the way I solved this algorithm is by first getting rid of the special characters. Now, there's a way to target those with regex, namely with the backslash big W meta character, and what that regex does is it looks for finding everything that is a non-word character. So it's gonna look for everything that is not within the alphabet, that is not underscore, and so on. And why are we doing that? Well, because they are also passing strings with special symbols and we get to address them, and this is gonna be the same as this and as this. So we have to get rid of them. That's why I simply said take the string, replace the non-word characters with an empty string, and also the underscore, okay, globally within the whole string, and lowercase all of it, because the case shouldn't make a difference. Like level should be also a palindrome of level uppercase, so that's why you can actually also uppercase it, but I just chose to lowercase it, but technically both are valid. And then I just said that we are gonna compare the normal input with the reversed input. So the normal input is what we got here, and well, actually what we got here. And then we are checking, is that input equal to the same input but split, reversed, because you cannot reverse a string, you only can reverse an array. So first you have to turn the string into an array, reverse the array, and join the array back together into a string. And it's gonna return either true or false. True for a palindrome, false for not a palindrome. And when we run the tests, we got our 1/5 done of these advanced algorithm projects. We are good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below in the comments. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the like and the notification button, and we'll see each other on the next one. Bye bye.